Hey everybody, it's Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia mountains. I am in Mineral Bluff. I'm at 780 Bailey Farm. So as you can see, this development, everybody has acreage. So this home has 3 acres. It was built in 2000. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. There's 2 bedrooms on the main, and there's 2 on the lower. The Bailey Farm is something that I'm familiar with. Growing up here in the North Georgia mountains, I know the family that used to own all this property, so it's pretty neat. The development is beautiful. Some of the homes in this development actually have river frontage, and so you're not too far from town when you know the back roads to get there. So you're pretty close to Blue Ridge, about 15 minutes, and you'll even pass the scenic railway tracks as you're going to it, and there's some pretty views off of Curtis Switch. So the home, like I said, was built in 2000. There's some deck here. There's 2 fireplaces, and it does have a 2-car garage. I'll take you up here and let you see what portion of the deck there is, and then you can see their pretty yard that they've fixed. They've took good care of it. You can see where the septic is. I'm going to go ahead and step down here. I'm walking down through here to this little path. You can see they have a fire pit here. There's the acreage that's over there on the other side. They've got some square foot gardening going on. Pretty awesome there. And they've got this screened in porch. Once I go inside and go out the basement, I'll go through there. You'd think it was March, seeing these little tulips everywhere. It's pretty interesting that they bloomed later this season. One of the homes over here, when you pass it, you'll see they've got lots of grapevines. So, the community believes in growing their own food. So that's a pretty nice little feature too. You're not restricted from having gardens in here. The properties here are on private well. Even though it is close to town, it's not got public utility. So I'm going to enter the house here. All right, so I am in the home. You see all the wood. There is some sheetrock on the ceiling. You got the open feel of this whole space is very large. You got your kitchen and your dining room. On the main level, you've got 1,778 square feet. And it is all on one main level. There's no upstairs. So as you can see, it's a pretty large space here. Most women like to see the kitchen, so I'm going to go ahead and take you in here and let you see the dining room and kitchen. You got tile in here. Very large kitchen. Recessed lights. Gas stove. Got pantry. Cabinetry here, and there is a pantry and a bathroom that is off of the kitchen. Also the utility room. And there's your bathroom. Not a very big one, but who needs a big one whenever you're in the kitchen? You just need a place to run in and use the potty. Nice feature about this house is there's solar panels. So I've not checked into it, but I'd love to see how much the cost of their power bill is every month. It would be an interesting thing to find out. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me and I can get that information for you. Got stairs that go into the basement right there. Okay, and here's bedroom number 1. They've got a mini split right there. The flooring is tile. Ceilings are probably it's probably an 8-foot ceiling. It's a huge bedroom. That's a king-size bed and it looks small. Most of the doors are shut, and I do believe it's because they have a kitty cat. So here is the walk-in closet. Nice size. And then this door is to the bathroom. So you've got the cute little wash bowls for sinks. Okay, so going through this door right here, you've got a step down that goes out to the square foot garden, and there's a deck. And then right here is your garage. I'm going to shut the doors just in case. I'm not sure where the kitty is, but I did see the kitty cat whenever I got to the door. So it's a 2-car garage. Plenty of room out here for 2 cars. It's well insulated because it is chilly outside, but it feels good in here. There's a door that goes off. And outside that little front parking area. Oh, you got the Trex deck. Beautiful sky. But here, that's a Trex deck. No wear and tear on it. And then you've got your gardening. This is the first home in the development. And if I didn't already mention, the development is all paved. There is an annual fee of $200 per year. I'm sure that's just to maintain any part of the grass or to even help with if there's ever any things that need to be maintained with the road. So coming off of the other or coming into the other door, this would be your second bedroom. And I don't have any lights on, but it's well lit down here. So you've got a closet there. The floor is some type of engineered vinyl. They're using it as an office space, but as you can see, it's lots of room down here. There's the bathroom. It's got a tile shower. It's a nice tile shower. Let me turn on some lights so you can see. It's a single sink. That's cute. It's a blue painted walls. So it's got some skies. It's wood tiles. It's pretty. Okay, so I have shown you all of the main floor to the home. This little mudroom is nice though, that there's these little benches here. You can open them up and put some shoes or whatever else, and then you've got the shelf and hooks there to hang your coats. You also got an attic drop down there. All right, so I'll take you back in the house and we'll go to the basement after I give you a view from this angle right here. Okay, so I am at the stairs. I'm gonna go down here. The doors are shut. Okay, so down here, you have the same amount of space or square footage. So it's 1778. That is a queen bed, combination of wood and sheetrock. You got, sorry you guys, carpet on the floor. You got a little shelves going on right there. And a huge walk-in closet. I say it's huge. You guys, if you've seen how small my closet was, it's not much bigger than this room here. My bedroom. Right, and here is another bedroom. It's pretty much the same footprint as the one that I was just in. Still your combination of sheetrock and wood and carpet on the floor. And it also has a closet which is much bigger than the other one. You can see. A whole different family could be down here. All right. It is a whole different living space. You got sheetrock in the bedrooms with wood, and in here you have all wood. So this is the living room. There's the fireplace, but it kind of looks like it's a insert, like an electric one, but I'd need to check just to make sure. There's probably gas lines to it. It's got its own kitchen down here. Different style appliances. There's white ones here. It's got drop ceiling, tile ceiling. So let me... And then this is that great space that you seen when I first started the video. It's all concrete down here, but wow, at the entertaining that you could do here. Those obviously are those seasonal windows that you can take them out in the summertime and then just be screened, and then insulated glass during the wintertime because it feels great out here. And that wind outside right now is so chilly. It is the month of April, and I do believe that it's dogwood season. So anyway, this is a wonderful entertaining space. Alrighty, so I've shown you all around the home. It's got such great features. Like I said, it does have solar panels. It's got raised square foot garden. It's got 3 acres of some beautiful property. It's got all paved access to the community. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. It's a total of 3,556 square feet. It's priced at $699. It's in the development of Bailey Farm. The home was built in 2000, and it's located in Mineral Bluff, Georgia. If you have any questions of this one or any other homes, I would love to work with you and help you. My number is 706-455-6977. Tanya Davenport with Coldwell Banker High Country in the beautiful North Georgia mountains.